this is Ayn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to make this baked cheesy eggplant recipe that I just whipped out one afternoon. So this is perfect for kids and adults who are quite picky eaters because this tastes yum. And I also made a yogurt dip for this one. So if you guys want to know how I did this whole recipe, then just keep watching. Okay, so first things first, of course, we have to slice our eggplant. Here I did two types of slices, one vertical and the other one, circular. But I actually prefer the circular slices more. And then, after you slice the eggplant, you can prepare the batter. So you need an egg, breadcrumbs, and Parmesan cheese. You can also use mozzarella, depending on the cheese that you want. And then, so easy. You just dip the eggplant on the egg, and then the Parmesan cheese, and then the breadcrumbs, and put it in a baking tray. After you've coated everything, you just have to bake it for at least 15 minutes in a preheated oven. And while waiting for the eggplant to cook, I'm gonna whip the yogurt dip. So what you need is a plain yogurt. So put the plain yogurt on a bowl. This is very basic. Add the Parmesan, add the garlic powder, and then put salt and pepper to your liking, and also sugar if you want it to be a bit more sweet. And then I just added also some crushed basil leaves, and give it a good mix, and that's it. So now the eggplant is baked. What I'm doing now is I'm just plating it. Super easy, super fast to do. And yeah, this is a good way to have your kids eat eggplant if they are picky eaters. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly appreciate it. Don't have anything more to say. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!